blanket in a fit of comfort. A little something to knock off the edge. It's supposed to get a little cool tonight. Looks like I'm gonna have to hold you tight. Yeah. Out of my love, hold me around. That spot nobody knows. Park the truck and we take off running. Hurry up, girl, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a billion stars. Sound steel and old boxcars. All of you is driving me insane. Come on, baby, let's go listen to a night train. And yeah, I hope it's gonna be a long one. And if we're lucky, it's moving slow. Wouldn't mind if it lasted all night. Lying next to you on that hillside. Let's go. Got a mile off Oatmeal Road. That spot nobody knows. Park the truck and we take off running. Hurry up, girl, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a billion stars. Sound of steel and old boxcars. One of you is driving me insane. Come on, baby, let's go listen to the night train. Let's go listen to a night train. About a mile off Oatmeal Road, that spot nobody knows. We park the truck and we take off running. Hurry up, girl, I hear it coming. Got a moon and a billion stars. Seven steel and old boxcars. One of you is driving me insane. Come on, baby, let's go listen to a night train. Let's go listen to a night train.
Contestant number 621, Jeff Glisson from Tampa. Our next contestant.